Hey, good afternoon. I'm Alan with Reliant Plumbing. We're out here in Lago Vista replacing a grinder pump. What this does is just allows for safe removal of sewer from the property into the city line. So this is a grinder pump that was installed during the original construction. It was undersized and under pressured from the builder. What we're doing is we're coming in with the correct sizing that's been verified. So what I have here is the Barnes 2 horsepower grinder pump. Barnes is the absolute industry standard. Whenever we're installing one, we have to provide it with a warranty. So we're going to provide with the best product that we can install to make sure that it's great for the customer and then we're able to stand by our warranty. Putting the dirt back in, the pump is just working great. We verified it. Red light's off. That means the customer has full service to just go back to living normal again. And that's what we want. Whenever you're thinking about plumbing, it's most likely when you're having an issue. When you're not thinking about plumbing, that means everything's working good, and most likely Reliant Plumbing just got done finishing for you. So just a great job. Really proud of all the guys. General manager stopped by. He certified everything just to kind of take a look at it. And that's what we do. We work as a team. Whenever you see our yellow trucks out front, you know it's going to get taken care of.